Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now it's a Saturday today, but it's a very cold and wet day, so I don't have any plans to go out. What I do plan to do is to do a bit of cleaning, online shopping, as well as a bit of cooking. So let's get started. Before I get started, if you like to see more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so I'm gonna get some onion. Yeah, that's a pretty big onion. I think one is enough. I don't know what that toy is doing there, but let's keep going. So what I'm doing is a sausage roll. So I've got one large onion here, one carrot, roughly chop it up into the food processor and blend it all together. Okay, so you can see I put everything together in here. So you can see the carrots and the onions are all blended together. So what I'm going to do next is to add the sausage meat mince. So this is the sausage mince I'm using. It's from Woolworths and it is beef. Okay, so this is what it looks like all blended together, but this is not enough, so I'm actually going to have to mix some of the mince to it. Baby! So this is super easy to make. So as you can see, I've taken out the sausage mince blended with the onion and the carrots, so I've put that into a separate bowl. I've left some of that mixture still in here, and I've added about 500 grams of minced beef, and I'm just going to put it through the food processor again to blend everything together. Okay, so this is what it all looks like after blending. Now I'm just going to mix this to the first batch, and I'm going to top it up with a bit of seasoning, and we're ready to go. So these are the sauces. So I've got some tomato sauce here. Now this is a must. This is really crucial. You cannot make a sausage roll without this. It just doesn't taste the same. And a bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so I've added all that together. Now this is a little trick that I do with any type of filling. So a little bit on plate, put that into a microwave so that I can taste it to see whether there is enough seasoning, because the worst thing is when you find out that there is either not enough salt or not enough pepper. So in this way you will never go wrong. Okay, let's have a look. Right, that looks like it's all cooked through. That smells absolutely amazing. Okay. So, okay, let's gonna do a bit of taste test here. Oops, okay, now just looking at the instructions, it says that it needs to be in the oven if its fan force is 200 degrees. So let's do that. Okay, so just turning on the oven onto the fan force, and if its fan force is 200 degrees. Just gonna wait for that to warm up, and I'm just going to also move the tray up so that's actually in the middle rack. Now as you can see here, I also have one egg, which I'll use to seal the pastry together, as well as to brush over the top of the pastry. So the top of pastry that I'm using, it is the puff pastry that I picked up from the supermarket. This is really easy to use. You basically just put the filling inside the pastry and it's good to go. Okay, so here it is. It's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so it turned out that 13 minutes is not long enough, so I've extended the time for an extra 10 minutes. So we'll see how we go. Okay, so this is just straight out of the oven. It looks amazing. So in total, this was in the oven for 25 minutes.